Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Imad Khan. I hope you all are doing good. So, like we are in admin series, we are learning and exploring the admin series. So, today we are going to discuss one of the topic of data management, that is data import. This video we are going to discuss how to import the data using data loader. So this is client application that can import up to 5 million records at a time. Like using data import wizard, we can import the up to 50,000 record. But data loader, we can import the 5 million records either from the files or database connection. It can be operated either through the UI or the command line. Here is the or can do that through the UI or command line. It is particularly useful for handling large volumes of data or tracking data or tasks to them, like how to install and connect your data loader. I have already updated the video on my YouTube channel. You can see that for connection and installation of data loader, I'm directly using the data loader for importing and exporting. Like in this video, we are learning import, data import. In next video, I will explain you data export also. So like I've already downloaded my data loader. Let me just open that. Here you can see that data loader UI looks like this. You can perform the insert, update, upsert, delete. You can't perform the delete using data import. This is also one limitation. Export and export all. You can export all the records in one go. You can export the record like according to your requirement. Now I am using the I am firstly performing the insert operation using data loader. Just click on insert. You have to log in your Salesforce account so that you can insert the data. You can import the data using data loader. Just click on login, connect. Like I have already connected, so it will not ask me to put the ID and password. You can see that you are already connected. Let me just log out from this ID. Also, let me just connect me with a different ID. Set. And see that I have logged in my. Now I can insert. You can find that you can differentiate with the data import wizard tool. Like here you can find all the standard object. Like where you can there is a data import, you can only account, you can use account, lead, and contact, that you can insert that data on that particular standard object. But data loader have no limitation in case of the object. Click account, choose your CSV file. Like I have test dot. Let me just change firstly something in test dot insert file so that we can verify that. uh, Test dot insert file, insert insert data loader. That data loader. Selection purpose we don't need to ID to remove the ID field. Let me just change the name also so that we can verify the holy Sharma. Save that particular file. Save as desktop download. Just insert data. Okay. Now just choose that particular file. Just insert data loader. Open that particular file. Click on next. Initializing Salesforce object and CSV file. Initializing succeeded if your file is not corrected, like your file have some space or fields are not particularly write the same name like in Salesforce of that particular field name, and your Excel file name should be matched, so you will not get any error here. Click on OK. Create or edit. You can do first thing you can do auto mapping. Like for mapping, firstly you have to select auto match field to columns. If all mapping is not done, then you have to search particular field and do mapping. Like after auto matching, you can see that after auto mapping, you can see that two fields are mapped. Now you can search description and map the description field. After that, one field is left, that is name field. You can map the name field. Here you can save mapping also for future reference. Click on OK. After this, click on next. If you want, here you can create a one folder, and if you want to verify that like you got any error and that error stored in that particular folder, you can create one folder also and select that particular folder. Let me just select for time being one folder where my error is saved. Documents. Click finish. After that you will get that pop-up. Click yes. Like you can see that there are 4 successful insert and 0 error. We have got no error and our record is successfully imported in our Salesforce. We can also verify that. Go to your UI, the sales, verify that what was the like our record, Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma. What was the name of that record? You can find that Kohli, and you can find the description also. Insert data loader. So in this way, you can update the data like I showed you. For updating the data, we have to provide the ID. You can insert the data using data loader. You can also delete the data. So like for updating the data, we need ID. So for deleting the data, we also need the ID, because without ID, without record ID, we can't do the operation like update and delete. I al I already explained how to insert the data. using data loader. Now I'm going to explain you how to update the data using data loader. Here I have prepared one file. For updating the data, we have to put the ID of all the particular record that we are updating. So after that, just go to the data loader and click on update. Click your the object in which you are inserting the data. Choose your file. Like I have created the file in download folder, that is test update from data loader. Open that particular file. Click on next. In initializing Salesforce object and CSV file. Click on OK. After that, choose and create or edit map. Auto match the field columns. You can see that two fields automatically match by the auto match fields. Map all the fields that are not mapped. That is name. Just drag and drop that. After that, description, and then ID. You can save the mapping also so that you can use later that particular mapping. Click on OK. Click on next. Here you can see that the folder where you want to store your error and success file. I am changing that file, like I have created one folder data loader file. Select that folder. Click on finish. See that there are 3 successful updates and 0 error. We can also verify that. Go to your UI. Click search on Salesforce app. Go to the account record and check that particular account record is updated or not. Click on Mary. Go on detail page. You can see that description is updated from data loader. That's how you can use data loader for update operation. In the same way, you can also do upsert, like you can do in a go, update the record as well as insert one record. Let me just insert one record, pressing Siraj 1.444 set from paper loader, or as well as update. Let me just change here upsert, upsert operation, upsert. For insert operation, we don't need ID. Save that particular file, desktop or anywhere. Download, upsert. Change the name also. Set. Save. Move to data loader. Click on offset operation. Click on account. Browse your file. Website. Open that particular file. Click on next. OK. Click on next. OK. Click on next. Choose the mapping. Auto match the fields. Then proceed. all the unmapped fields. Description also. Save mapping for the later. We just click on next. Finish. You can see that there are over 4 successful upset and 0 errors. You can verify that moving to org also. Refresh the page and check the description of your record. Upset from data loader. You can also verify that Siraj record is inserted or not that we are doing. Siraj. You can see that Siraj record is inserted and insert and update operation are working fine in the same go. Moving to the next, you can also delete the operation. For deletion, we needed ID. Let me just change the description. Remove this record. We are going to remove all 3 records. Let's verify that mark job query. We are going to delete all 3 records. Click on delete operation. Select the record account object. Select the object in which you want to delete the record. Click browse. I'm going to delete test date. Click on next. OK. Create a mapping. Choose auto mapping. Map. We just map all the field. ID. Description. Description. There is no existing map file failed. Going this column see that. Okay, for deletion we only need the ID. Okay, click on next. Finish. You can see that there are 3 successful delete and 0 error. You can verify that, go to your account and check that particular record mark is there or not. You can find that mark is deleted. You can also find that that record is ghost. You can also verify the record is deleted or not. Search for recycle bin. You can see that Harry Joe mark is deleted. You can also verify that date is 7/9/2023 and 3 to 7 p.m. So I have explained to you all the operation that is insert, update, upset and delete using data loader. How to import the how to import the data using data loader. I have demoed you all the operation. So that's all for this video. We are going to see export and in the next video how to use export, how to export the data using export data wizard as well as data loader. So if you are new to the channel, do subscribe, like, comment and share. Thank you.